Hi everyone, my name is Thomas III, and welcome back to Thomas III's Steam Train Layout, The Return. Yes, thank God. Thomas's Steam Train Layout channel finally returns from its long break. From 2017 to 2019, Thomas's Steam Train Layout channel returns. Back with Pennsylvania number 421, my only workable Lion-O Chief here. I have two Lion-O Chiefs, but the one that I have inside the box here, there's a box in here. Actually, no, it's somewhere around here, I don't even know. But this is the only Lion-O Chief that runs. The other Lion-O Chief is a New York Central, just like my good engine over here, which this is going to be our next Commander-in-Chief engine here. This will be our next best engine on this channel yet. It's going to be the New York Central 7794 engine. Now this engine's very powerful. You gotta love this engine. This engine's just like the Lion-O Chief. Smokes real well. It hauls really well, and it has so much power. Thanks to this 250 watt Transmaster Transformer Type Z remote. Now this box here I got from my grandpa. He used to own this box to run that train up there, this Baltimore, Ohio train up there. He used to run that from this box here, from the Lion-O Corporation. Lion-O used to sell Type Zs because they were good. They have more watts than the regular Lion-Os, and they will run a lot better. And that's what I'm going to be doing with this engine here. So we have number 421 on the tracks. We're going to give it for a spin a couple times, and we'll see how it works. Now, as you all know, that you're actually supposed to use the power cable that's supposed to be connected to this. But instead, that one's too short. I'm just going to be using the commander for this one. So, without further ado, let's go and turn it on. Full blast. Hopefully we'll be able to see steam in there. And those cars don't want to light up. Hey, that's because the switcher's working. Look at that. This switcher right there. Seems like that's working. Up. There it goes. Now I got it to work. And as you can see how bright that is. Oh. Anyways. See, as you can see, number 421 is not steaming yet, but I'll give it a couple laps around just to see how it works. So, let's go into my command remote here. That's so weird that it says clear outbound for the people to run the engine, I guess. So. And this engine will go faster because this is a very more powerful. Oops, I accidentally turned off the engine. But this is a very powerful watt here. So let's see how fast this engine can go. Whoa, okay, that is fast. Holy crap. That's even faster than the other one. And of course I stopped it. Whoa, holy crap, that's... And it even goes faster than the one. Wow. Can't even imagine how fast that engine goes now. It isn't steaming yet. That's funny. That engine goes fast. Holy crap. Turn it off. Good. God dang. That's one heck of an engine, but it's still not smoking. So in that case, if it's not smoke, well, it may not have any smoke fluid in it, but we'll transfer it to the other one here, to the New York Central, the good one. So it's going to turn it off now. That's why I say this is a very good power box here. Engine's not warm yet. How fascinating. Alright, let me go and set the camera down with the GoPro. So you on here. Now let's go and run the New York Central on. Now when you see, now I want you to show you something about this engine. This engine can be a smoker. It can really be a smoker. And I'll show you why now. So let's see here. Ah, wrong one. Here comes the steam. And there it is. Look at that. Look at that beautiful steam. And the engine isn't even warm yet, and it's this hot. Alright, that's gonna take it around the lap. Look at that engine steam. That is one good engine right there, people. But a little bit too fast on the curves, so yeah. I have to be careful around that. At least his engine isn't breakable, so that's good. Engine broke. Or the engine derailed.
Fell on the floor?
Yeah, it went too fast around the curb. Yes. As you see, we have Mr. Michael Fairchild here, also my helper of the tune-up with the Fairchilds.
See if we could take a couple of these straights out and move it closer. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we probably should do that, right?
It wouldn't fall off that way.
Let me see it. Let me go ahead and... Hey, the box works.
What?
The box works.
Is that the remote control one?
No, this is the New York Central.
Yeah, that's pretty loud too, isn't it?
These are that box. Oh, look at the digital light.
You didn't break it, did you?
There you go. That box usually never works.
Huh.
that shut off. This has cold smoke fluid in it, if you guys don't know.
What is wrong here?
I see it kind of broke the light a little.
The one doesn't line up.
Doesn't line up.
Nope. That one's too long and that one's too short. Maybe this will work. I guess that'll. Okay.
Now try it.
Yep.
Alright, it's gonna connect to some cars, shall we? Because the box is a piece of crap.
Alright, I gotta go check the oil in the truck and then I'll go put fuel in it so you don't have to do it in the morning.
Alright.
Okay?
Dang thing, alright.
Boy, that smoke's real good, don't it?
That engine smokes real well. Alright, now it's going to connect to those cars. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to disconnect this. And we ran out of smoke fluid. So I'm gonna have to put more of that stuff in. are keeping on that setting there. Alright, now it's going to grab our smoke fluid. Let's use this stuff. Cole Pro Smoke Fluid from MTH. Put a couple more in. There you go, that should be good enough. So give that a couple minutes. I wish the switch would work. Too high on power. Nope. Ah, God dang it. Of course it's not connected or open. Alright, let's see your keeping on that. Oh, I think I just turned it brighter. Alright, I'll move. Oh, they're in the wrong setting. Come on. Okay, we're gonna have to turn it off and then just run it over here. Something happened with this. Ah, God, that's all over the place. Come on. Get in there, you. There you go. Alright. Too much cars in the way. Alright. Now, let's go ahead and... let's see, how are we gonna do this? Let me go ahead and... push the train. Do that. Pull it forward. And pull this. Look at all that smoke or steam. It's gonna be a small little train set for now, until I plan up on making another one. Okay, now let's go ahead and let me go ahead and push this back. What was that noise? Sounded like a flame. Of course not. Okay, come on. There we go. Alright, give it a couple minutes. This is one neat engine, isn't it? New York Central 7794, best engine smoker. Well, actually the New York Central line note Chief. Other engine is the best smoker. You can actually hear it sizzling in there. Alright, let's go and give it a run. There it goes. Look at that beauty. What a beaut she is. just gonna stop it here, and then we'll park it back. Actually, you know what? I got an idea. Shall we? And there you guys have it. That is the official return to my Steam Train Layout channel. Now let's go and put the engine back. And one more last picture of it before we put it up. This is one more picture of New York Central System. Alright, let's come put it up. Cutting the power off. There goes the power. Well, there you guys have it. That is the official return to Thomas's Steam Train Layout channel. Hopefully there'll be more videos of more Steam engines soon, and hopefully I'll get more Steam engines in the later videos. But for now, thank you all so much for watching. I'm Thomas III. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this channel. Make sure to subscribe to my main channel as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Steam Train Layout channel, because as you can see, I actually did a major, this is like my biggest update ever to the Steam Train Layout channel. Like, there's a small donut, like there's a big huge donut here, and it just goes like straight down here, and it just goes like straight all the way down there. Donut, all the way back, and run back here. So this is one big train layout I have now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm Thomas III. Subscribe, like, and comment to this channel. Subscribe, like, and comment to my channel. And hopefully you guys enjoy the Steam. So I hope you guys enjoy the Steam Train Layout channel. And as always, Thomas out. Crap.